Hello guys, we have your GPY currency bar here. First, we'll go to the tools and select a horizontal line and a trend line. Next, we'll take the horizontal line and place it where we notice multiple price rebounds. We also can change these lines here to red color for better visibility. Afterward, we will position the trend line along the descending peaks and change the color here. Finally, we will observe the formation of a descending triangle pattern. This pattern gives us two possible scenarios. The first one when the price breaks down and continues to fall, and the second one when the price breaks down, then makes a retracement on horizontal line, then continues to fall. We also can see that there is a retracement on the round number here. Let's switch to a larger time frame. Here we can clearly see the retracement process. Now returning to our basic time frame and see what we have. We have several reasons to go with the sellers. The major trend is downward, the descending triangle pattern as we said in previous, and a gravestone pattern is visible in the retracement area here near the horizontal line, and the last one is a rejection near the round number here. Based on these reasons, we will take our trade from 2 to 3 minutes with marginal safety. We have here CAD GPY. We will choose a horizontal line and place it on the area from which we notice many rebounds of price. Now we can take a look at a larger time frame. We will notice that there are multiple rebounds from the same area, indicating that it is a reliable level. Afterward, we will return to the minute time frame and aim to execute a 2 to 3 minute trade with the sellers. Here, in this area, we can see a dragonfly pattern followed by an engulfing belt hold pattern, and the last thing here is the rejection on the round number. All these reasons are clear signs to go with the sellers. Now we have the last bar. We'll switch to a bigger time frame to see the previous price movement more clearly. We'll notice that the major trend is down and the minor trend is currently up, but it is ending with a double top pattern, which means the price is more likely to drop. And here we can also see that there is a gap between the current price and the closest level. Then we'll place a horizontal line here at the current level to make it more clear. Finally, let's return to the 1 minute time frame. At that point, the gap will be more visible, and we'll notice that our level is also in a round number. This shows us that it is a strong level, especially since there have been several price rejections before, and we can also see that there is a momentum for the sellers here. So, for these reasons, the price will likely try to fill this gap.